Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I have already provided update related to NQT. Now lots of comment was asked related to the resume, CV and other things. So I will talk a complete detail in this video. So make sure to watch this video carefully before applying for TCS NQT of campus. So friends, resume and CV play a critical role in further selection. So before applying, I will suggest update your resume properly and give only those details and things which you are comfortable with. Okay, though they will give you time for uh, uploading new resume, but the main things that I want to tell that you should be careful in this. So upload photo CV option, this will also use for your ID creations. So talking about the photo criteria, so dimension should be 35 mm and 35 mm, resolution should be 300 ppi and format is acceptable, that is JPG and .jpeg. So ensure a successful upload your photograph, and you should use recent passport size photograph, otherwise it might get create a problem for you. So be careful before applying this, and these are the important criteria. So file size for the resume, and that is also about 1 MB. And talking about the photo, so for that it should be formal with white or off white background, avoid white clothes with white background, and shoulders should be clearly visible, both ear must be clearly visible, and body pose should be good. So ऐसा photo create कर लें, then only you should apply. And resume, again saying, don't apply with bad resume, apply with good resume, because that will give a boost for your resume and for further selection. That will really helpful for you. And you should declare the things that I declare that photograph affixed of this application form is true and correct representation of myself. So if any discrepancy is found, then your application might get rejected. So make sure to apply with good things, though you will get chance to upload. So important things that I want to tell, that there are still 30 to 40 days you should apply, and make sure that you should have proper time. If you haven't prepared well, then I will suggest don't apply now, apply after 10 to 15 days, because registration will be open and it will not close. Okay, and it might extend it further. So if you haven't prepared, then today I will make a dedicated video on the 30 days roadmap that will be beneficial for you for the NQT as well as coding questions. So you can go through that will be helpful. And I will provide free preparation material in my WhatsApp or Telegram group that will be critical for your preparation, and that will boost your confidence. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp or Telegram group, you must join, because that will be good for you. Talking little bit about coding questions, especially those candidates who don't have idea of coding from electrical, EC, mechanical, I will suggest first prepare on the aptitude, that is the reasoning, English, maths, that play a critical role. क्योंकि अगर coding नहीं भी हुआ, then either you will be selected for Ninja or digital, but first आपको aptitude clear होना चाहिए, because if you will not clear aptitude, then you will not selected for further things and your code will not be evaluated. So your first target should be aptitude. Okay, and if you have been selected for any interview, either for Deloitte and other, then you can also join or fill our mock interview form. That will basically boost your confidence for real interview. We are here with you from starting to end for the NQT, and we will upload lots of video related to NQT, like coding questions, aptitude question, English question, preparation strategies. So make sure to subscribe us, because that will be good for you. And again saying, don't take this less seriously. Okay, you should be serious now, and this is wonderful opportunity, because they are again hiring for 2024, 2025, 2026. So you can assume that there is a mass hiring going to be happen, क्योंकि कभी भी TCS भाई प्रीवियस जो बैच पास आउट थे उनको नहीं देते थे, बट या देयर शुड बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपटीशन शुड be there. So you should be careful in all that things. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And again saying, must join our WhatsApp Telegram group. So all the best for future preparation. Thank you.